Do you want to improve your English? Stop using the word very and use this instead. Very old. Ancient. Very cheap. Affordable. Very small. Tiny. Very simple. Basic. Very expensive. Costly. Very large. Massive. Very quiet. Serene. Very tasty. Delicious. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. Very smart. Intelligent. Very poor. Destitute. Very rich. Wealthy. Very long. Extensive. Very important. Crucial. Very bad. Awful. Very happy. Delighted. Very sad. Heartbroken. Very tired. Exhausted. Very cold. Freezing. Very hot. Scorching. Very loud. Deafening. Very big. Enormous. Very angry. Furious. Very scared. Terrified. Very fast. Swift. Very slow. Sluggish. Very clean. Spotless. Very wet. Soaked. Very soft. Gentle. Very dangerous. Hazardous. Very safe. Secure. Very modern. Contemporary. Very spicy. Piquant. Very tall. Towering. Very clear. Transparent. Very dark. Obsidian. Very stupid. Idiotic. Very complex. Intricate. Very dry. Arid. Very old-fashioned. Outdated. Very nice. Pleasant. Very mad. Enraged. Very dull. Boring. Very solid. Firm. Very funny. Hilarious. Very lazy. Indolent. Very fat. Obese. Very hungry. Starving. Very shy. Timid. Very fancy. Lavish. Very exciting. Exhilarating. Very often. Frequently. Very dedicated. Committed. Very quiet. Silent. Very loose. Slack. Very upset. Distraught. Very mean. Cruel. Very weak. Frail. Very accurate. Exact. Very skinny. Petite. Very busy. Swamped. Very bright. Luminous. Luminous. Very sure. Certain. Very perfect. flawless, very confused, perplexed, very careful, cautious, very dirty, filthy, very good, amazing, very bad, lousy, very hard, difficult, very worried, anxious, very special, exceptional, very ugly, hideous, very fast, rapid, very wise, sage, very colorful, vibrant, very afraid, fearful, very powerful, compelling, bright, very warm, hot, very empty, desolate, very open, transparent, very hurt, battered, very sorry, apologetic, very valuable, precious, very neat, immaculate, very large, huge, very cute, adorable, very boring, dull, very short, brief, very rainy, pouring, very sharp, keen, very shiny, gleaming, very serious, grave, very painful, excruciating, very strong, forceful, very messy, slovenly, very crowded, bustling, gay, very lively, animated. And if you want to improve your vocabularies, you can check this video. Do not forget subscribing for